Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see problem number 2. That is, show that in that first bit is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. See, whenever the questions are like show that and prove that, we have to consider the left hand side LHS and then finally we should prove it to equal to RHS. Is it clear? Yes, now here let us consider LHS, that is left hand side part. So consider LHS, that is, let us write the question, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now before starting the problem, let us check which pair of the given angles are complementary. Here you see 48 and 42, you add them, 48 plus 42, what is the total? 90 degrees. That means here you need to understand that this 48 and 42, these two are complementary angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, let us add 16 and 74. 16 plus 74 is also 90 degrees. That means here these two are 16 and 74. These two are complementary angles. Is it clear?
Yes,
now let us write them together. So here let us rewrite this question once again, that tan 48 into, let us rearrange. Okay, tan 48 into here what can be written? Tan 42 degrees. Clear? Because it is in the product, it's a product, it's in multiplication, it can be altered. So here let us write tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Now let us see here the formula. This one we can write as tan, here you observe, 48 plus 42 is 90, means 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. So let us write 48 as 90 degrees minus 42 degrees, and let us write the tan 40 degrees as it is. Let us not to change this second one. Same way here, let us change it, tan of, here you see 16 plus 74 is 90. Then 16 can be written as 90 minus 74 degrees. 90 minus 74 into, let us write this tan 74 as it is. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now let us apply the formulas. Those are tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta, and okay, here also same formula. So let us use the same formula here. Now you tell me, tan 90 minus 42 degrees becomes cot 42 degrees. It is cot 42 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes,
into, let us write tan 42 as it is. Into, same way, tan 90 minus 74 degrees can be written as cot 74 degrees into, let us write this tan 74 degrees as it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to apply another formula, that is cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Based on this formula, let us change cot theta in terms of tan theta. So here you tell me, what is cot 42 degrees? 1 by tan 42 degrees into, let us write this tan 42 as it is, into, same, cot 74 degrees can be written as 1 by tan 74 degrees into, let us maintain the tan 74 degrees as it is. Now here this tan 42 degrees they get cancelled. Same way tan 74 degrees and tan 74 degrees also get cancelled one time. So here 1 into, they are cancelled, suppose one time here 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So finally we get here 1. You observe in the given question, this 1 is nothing but RHS. So here this 1 is nothing but RHS. Therefore here we get, if we consider the left hand side LHS, we got the right hand side RHS. So with this first bit gets completed. Now we see second problem, second bit, that is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Now here let us consider the left hand side part, that is LHS, that is, say here, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Now again you see here, check properly, 36 plus 54 is 36 plus 54 is 90 degrees. That means here these two angles are complementary. These two angles are also complementary because the same angles. Now here let us write cos as it is. 36 degrees can be changed as 90 minus how much is 36? 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us write this cos 54 as it is minus sin. Again 36 can be written as 90 minus 54 degrees. 90 degrees minus 54 degrees into, let us write the sin 54 degrees as it is. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here the formula, cos 90 minus theta, the formula is
Tan theta.
no, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and here sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. You remember that sin theta and cos theta both are complementary angles. So here cos 90 minus theta is sin theta and sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now here you see cos 90 minus theta, it can be written as sin theta, means sin 54 degrees will come. It is sin 54 degrees into, let us write cos 54 as it is, minus sin 90 minus theta, here theta is 54 degrees, that is cos theta, means here what will come? Cos 54 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us write this one as it is, sin 54 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus, here you see, it is just, you just imagine this as A into B, can also be written as B into A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can write sin 54 degrees first into cos 54 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now you observe sin 54 degrees into cos 54, you will get one value. The same value is also there here. Is it clear?
Yes.
So they both can be cancelled. So here what is the answer? 0. Now what is RHS? 0 only. So this is RHS, right hand side. Therefore if we consider LHS, we have reached RHS. When LHS equal to RHS, we can write hence proved. With this, the second bit gets completed. Now we see question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Now here, whenever if condition is there, we can take the condition completely. Here it is not okay. We don't think that we can take the LHS. We need to prove RHS. That is not the way, because that one will come if in the question show that or prove that. Whenever if condition is there, we can consider the condition, given condition completely. So here let us start solving this problem. Given, what is given here? Tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Here there are two ways to solve. The first one is, either you convert tan in terms of cot using tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, or cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, or else this one also can be changed. So here, which one is easy, that I will tell you. First, let us start solving this problem. Right, we know that tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. Let us apply this formula first. Now here, you just observe carefully. Tan 2a, just imagine 2a as theta. Now just think that here 2a is not there, here theta is there. This is tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Here actual formula, according to the formula, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Now as I told you, this is not theta. Okay, actually you have taken 2a as the theta. So now replace theta with 2a. Is it clear? Now you tell me tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a. Is it clear? So let us write this one as cot 90 minus 2a. Let us write this cot a minus 18 as it is. That you don't change here. How can we write this 2a as cot 90 minus 2a? Means how can we subtract 2a from 90? Here you see the question. 2a is which kind of angle? Acute angle. Acute angle means that is less than 90 degrees. So here that can be subtracted because 2a is less than 90. So that 90 minus 2a will be positive value. Is it clear? Since here given 2a is an acute angle. Acute angle means that is less than 90 degrees. That is the reason we are able to subtract 2a from 90. Is it clear? This is one of the ways. Other way is, let us maintain the tan 2a as it is. And let us write cot a minus 18 degrees as tan of 90 degrees minus a minus 18 degrees. But here, you do understand that you may commit a mistake in exam. What is the mistake? Here you see, when you convert, see, this may you may commit the mistake. Not all, some children, they may do the mistake that if you maintain the tan as it is, then it can be written as cot theta can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. So here you will write this as tan 90 minus a minus 18. Here the mistake is that you may forget to keep the bracket. Bracket is to be kept. Is it clear? That means here you have to keep the bracket. Then what happens? Then here tan 90 minus theta comes. It is tan of 90 minus into a minus a. Again minus into minus plus 18. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, then in that case the mistake will be corrected. Is it clear?
Yes.
But in examination, what is the guarantee that you may keep the bracket? That's why here better you don't go for that kind of simplification. If you are well confident, then you can go for that way. Now here let us come back. Now here you see, this is cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Both the sides have the same trigonometric ratio, so it can be cancelled. Just imagine that they got cancelled. Now here what is left? 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. Is it clear? Now here, since 2a is negative, let us send this 2a to right hand side. Since 18 is negative, let us move this one towards the left hand side. Now here you see a and minus 2a becomes plus 2a. So here a plus 2a. A plus 2a is equal to, this side you see, 90 degrees, let us write as it is, minus 18 degrees becomes plus 18 degrees. Clear?
Yes.
A plus 2a is 3a. 3a is equal to, this is 108 degrees. 90 plus 18 is 108. So here as we need to find a is equal to 108 degrees divided by 3. So on division, you will get here 3 3s are 9, 1 is left means 18, 3 6 are. So a is equal to 36 degrees. So here you see the question, find the value of a. Therefore a is equal to 36 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.